Welcome back to the channel for part 6 of the Flowing with Life series on diet and lifestyle. Chapter 3, The Rivers of Life Diet. Part A, The Importance of Nutrition in Balancing RL Flow. Fuel for the body. Nutrition plays a vital role in providing the body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. The right balance of macro and micronutrients supports the healthy flow of RL, ensuring that energy is available for physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Nutrient absorption. The quality and variety of the foods we consume directly impact the absorption of nutrients, which in turn affects the balance of RL flow. A diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods helps to maintain a harmonious flow, whereas a diet filled with processed or nutrient-poor foods can contribute to imbalances. Impact on energy levels. A balanced diet that supports the proper flow of RL can result in increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, and enhanced emotional stability. Conversely, an imbalanced diet can lead to fluctuations in energy, mental fog, and mood swings. Cellular health. The nutrients we consume have a direct impact on the health of our cells, which play a crucial role in the RL flow. A diet that provides the body with the necessary building blocks for cellular repair and regeneration can help maintain a balanced RL flow, contributing to overall health and vitality. Gut health and digestion. The health of our gut and digestive system plays a significant role in the absorption of nutrients and the balance of RL flow. A diet that supports gut health, such as one that includes probiotics, prebiotics, and fiber, can help promote a balanced flow and optimal well-being. Detoxification and elimination. A balanced diet supports the body's natural detoxification and elimination processes, which are essential for maintaining a balanced RL flow. Consuming foods that aid in detoxification, such as cruciferous vegetables, leafy greens, and antioxidant-rich fruits, can help keep the flow in harmony and promote overall health. Mind-body connection. The foods we consume not only nourish our bodies but also impact our emotional and mental states. By choosing foods that promote a balanced RL flow, we can foster a stronger mind-body connection and cultivate a more positive outlook on life.